What's going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP2 Bitcoin. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. Otherwise, in today's episode, we will be looking at some technical analysis. We will be looking at Bitcoin futures hitting the market in November, the beginning of November. And then I listened to what you guys were saying about yesterday's. I read all you guys' comments, I always do, about that app that was on Shark Tank. And then you guys were commenting me, telling me to check out a different app called Coinseed. So I actually spent a lot of yesterday night researching Coinseed, and honestly, I like that app better than I do today. So the app that I showed you guys yesterday. So what I'm going to do is review that app today with you guys. And I did a lot of research on it, and I actually found a way. I'm actually going to put a link in the description. Basically, the link, if you click on it, you'll be able to download the app directly to like your iPhone or Android or Google phone, whatever you have. And it gives you a free $5 worth of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, Stellar, whatever it is, when you invest your first amount. So I believe it's as soon as you invest in it, you're able to get $5 worth. And remember, we're investing pennies and coins. So the fact that we're investing loose change, and to get an additional $5 on that investment of loose change is really good. So definitely check that link out in the description. It's basically a link to this app. I'm going to show you guys the app in a few minutes, so hold on tight, but definitely check those two links out. I also have a link to my portfolio on that app of what percentage of cryptocurrencies I invest in and which cryptocurrencies I invest in. So it's definitely something I recommend checking out. I know a lot of you guys are curious as to what coins that I invested in and at what ratio, so definitely check that out. Link is in the description. Otherwise, let's jump on with today's episode. So as you guys can see, we're on the CoinMarketCap right now. We have a market cap of 209.4. We have a 24-hour volume of 9 billion, and then we have a Bitcoin dominance of 53.6. So pretty much the same thing as it was yesterday. I want to keep things interesting. I don't want to sound too boring, so we are going to go through this quite fast, only because it is similar to yesterday. As you guys can see, we have 3 out of the 10 cryptocurrencies. The top 10 cryptocurrencies are up in green, the rest are in red. But if you notice, not many coins are down by a big number, and not many are up by a big number. We're pretty much not even seeing a percent jump in any direction. We're only down 0.13 in Bitcoin, and we're only up 0.73 in XRP, so we're really not seeing much movement at all. Bitcoin is still practically where it was yesterday at 6,476. We see Ethereum at 203, only down 0.16%, and then Litecoin is at 52.15 and only down 0.49%, you know, 0.5%. So we're really not seeing much movement at all, which is telling me, guys, that something big is coming to the market. I know it's going to happen very soon. It's going to make a nice surprise, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be shocked. So we are going to be recording that every way through, you know, tracing the breakout, you know, getting ready to, you know, capture this breakout, ride it all the way up to the top, ride it ever so slightly down. We're going to be there, and I am going to let you guys know, and you guys are going to be well informed. So on that note, make sure your notifications bell is turned on. This way, when we do have this breakout, I will be the first one to record it and send it to you guys. So you don't want to miss out on runs like this and huge opportunities and investments. So definitely make sure that bell is turned on if you don't want to miss out on any huge money-making opportunities. I know all you guys are interested in that, but otherwise, let's move on with the episode. So I do want to show you guys this article really quick before we jump into some technical analysis. Then we'll look at Coinseed, and then we'll do some technical analysis. Now, I am saving the TA for last, only because I apologize for that. It kind of reset. I'm saving the TA for last mainly because a lot of you guys kind of get bored when we're seeing a lot of sideways trading, but I will keep that, you know, short and sweet for you guys. Basically, this article by William Suberg on Cointelegraph said, unconfirmed U.S. regulators could approve backed BTC futures launch in first week of November, which is pretty much 2 weeks from now, a week from now, really not that much longer. So basically, it says the Intercontinental Exchange backed cryptocurrency platform could get approval to launch its physically delivered Bitcoin BTC futures product from U.S. regulators next week. So pretty much right around the corner. An unconfirmed anonymous source told tech outlet The Block Thursday, October 25th. Backed, which seeks to create a regulated ecosystem for institutional investors looking to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies, had previously confirmed it planned to launch its futures product December 12th, and we saw that it was supposed to go out December 12th, and I did have a lot of hype around that, and I made a lot of videos back then, and now you can see they've pushed it all the way till November. November's right around the corner, guys. So then it says, should regulators give the project the green light, Bakkt will begin launching its Bitcoin daily futures contract for clients as soon as the first week of next month. So that's really, really big. Now, I know a lot of you guys, so here it is. It says, concerns that non-custodial options will ultimately detract the industry's credibility and have surfaced cryptocurrency figures, blah, blah, blah. So basically, to sum that up, or to comment on that, I know when we were speaking about Bitcoin futures being launched a few months ago, I made a few videos on Bitcoin futures, and basically I had a lot of mixed feelings about it from you guys. Basically, a lot of you guys were saying that this is a good thing, and that when we get that, that publicity, it will impact cryptocurrency in a good way, and Bitcoin will inflate itself, and we will see a lot of price action moving to the upside, But then there was also, another half of the market that everybody was saying that this is a bad thing and that could cause more manipulation, and then we could potentially see cryptocurrencies fall, and go down from these futures getting invested in it. So I want to know if any of you guys changed your mind on that. If so, let me know in the comments below. Do you think the Bitcoin futures, the Bakkt futures, will help cryptocurrency and Bitcoin move up, or do you think it's a bad thing and it will go down? Let me know in the comments below what your opinion is on that. Otherwise, to move on to Coinseed. So I'm not going to just go on my phone this time because the app is pretty easy, and believe it or not, on this website it shows you guys pretty much what the app looks like. So compared to yesterday, this app is pretty much free. There's no charges on it. Yes, there's some fees for depositing crypto and stuff like that, but that is on every exchange. But there's no monthly fee, which I like so much better. Another thing is a way to, we're allowed to show our portfolios, and also you guys can interact with me. I believe there's a messaging system where you guys can text me and comment in a group forum on the app, and, be in touch with me and ask me any of your questions, and, have any questions on your portfolio or anything like that. So it is the Android Play Store, and it is the App Store. It says invest smart, learn from others, grow your futures. You can see this is what the iPhone, app looks like. You can see all these. So this is pretty much the messaging board right here. This is all the cryptos they have, the market, and this is your portfolio right here. So I think it's a freaking really cool app. And I also like to mention in the description, if you click that link, there's a $5 code. So basically click that link, you get to your app, and the first investment you make, which I believe could be a couple pennies, you'll be able to activate, or you gain that $5 link because of the link. Sorry. So basically go onto the app, download it through the link in the description, you get the app, and then basically you'll get $5 per your first investment of a couple spare pennies or change or whatever. So it's pretty cool. It's a way for you guys to get a little money into the market, a beginner step in it. You can really diversify your portfolio. You can see what my portfolio is. It's really cool. They have tournaments too, which I love even more. So this is basically a way to, fake invest in the market. So if you guys are very hesitant on putting in big money into the cryptocurrency market, this is a way to do it for free. So basically you click tournament, and they'll give you like an artificial $1,000 or dollars. I haven't really done it yet, but I did research it. And basically you can take that money and invest it into currencies that you think is going to do well. And then whoever, gets the winning number, whoever makes the most profit at the end of the week or whatever, probably gets a prize. But basically it's a way to artificially invest in cryptocurrency without actually spending any money. So it's a way to test yourself and see if your investment strategies are better than others, and it's a way to pretty much have fun and test your smarts within the cryptocurrency market. So it's really cool. Definitely recommend checking it out. Let's see, you can make a cryptocurrency portfolio, create your own unique portfolio. You can basically round ups, invest your spare change, one-time investments, invest as little as $5 and enjoy the growing. Recurring investments, so you can then set how much money you want every month to get added in. You can then take it right out to US dollars. So it's all really cool. Enter a simulation trading tournament and win big money. So that's the coolest thing, and I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this because it's a really, really, really cool app. So I definitely recommend checking that out. Let's see if I can click tournament, if we can see. Let's see it load, but it's definitely an app that I truly recommend checking out. I downloaded it on my phone. I was having a lot of fun today using it. So it doesn't really say it. So basically it's a live tournament that you can use, and you guys can, compete against other people and see who made the smartest investment. So yeah, you can see these are the amount of money people can win. So $500, what's there to lose? Definitely recommend checking it out. But otherwise, let's move on to the technical analysis. As you guys can see, Litecoin trading sideways. We're not really seeing much movement right now within the market. Things are kind of adding up. We're not really seeing much higher swings like we've seen in the past, you know, where we swung up all the way to the top where this resistance is. You can see right now, we are currently trading out on the bottom. Let me see if the brightness is all the way up. There we go. So we're pretty much trading out all the way on the bottom, which is interesting because we're kind of flatlining right here, which is kind of hesitant to the fact that we could kind of break even lower and, you know, hit $49, $50. But with the way things are going and the sideways movement, something really big is going to happen fairly soon. So I definitely recommend staying on top of that. I will obviously be recording and I'll let you guys know the second we see any type of price movement. I will get you updated. And eventually when my channel hits, I think like 10,000 subscribers, which I know we will, I'll be able to update you guys via text where I can literally post something on the YouTube and it'll pop up on your screen and then you guys can all see it. So it's really cool, a way for me to engage with all you guys. So I do appreciate that. If you guys can help me subscribe and reach that goal, that would be awesome. And I do really, really, really appreciate that. Moving on to Bitcoin, as you guys can see, wow, guys, if this is not weird to you, then I don't know what is. But we're seeing another day. I believe this is like going on 11 days of sideways trading. You know, a lot of, you know, stability right now within the market. And as we guys know, within cryptocurrency, when we see stability, that is a red flag. Something big is going to happen. So we're really projecting, you know, within the next couple of, you know, days, if not hours, some sort of big movement, you know, some sort of huge bullish move all the way back up to, you know, $6,800, $7,000, or we could potentially see it tumble to $5,800. Obviously, I am leaning more towards a bullish breakout because we did have a repeated one in the past that was so, you know, random and we weren't really expecting it. So I am anticipating another one to happen similar to that and hopefully hold at that level. Ethereum, again, you know, flatlining. This is looking so weird, guys. Come on. You got to agree with me. I'm going to draw a trend line right here because I believe there is a slight trend line, you know, maybe something like that where you guys can see we're kind of getting sandwiched in between here. And it seems like the point of breakout is the 28th. So we could see maybe 2 or 3 more days of just this sideways momentum. And then we could see a breakout to the upside. It's a slight descending triangle forming on the 4-hour, which isn't super, you know, stable. It's not super, you know, set in stone. You know, a lot of things can happen here when we're looking at the 4-hour, but definitely a small downtrend is falling. The reason we are getting kind of suppressed right now within the market is because of this high-low MMA holding up above us, but you can see we have a really strong support at around $198, $200, keeping Ethereum afloat. Lastly, kind of running out of breath right now. You guys can see this is XRP to US dollars. I'm seeing some sort of uptrend right here. Hopefully you guys are aware of that. I'm actually going to draw this all the way up. Very interesting at that. You know, if this uptrend holds well, we could see a nice small bullish breakout. The reason being is because you can see this red band right here is trading sideways and moving sideways, and the price is actually being suppressed right under this red band right here. So if things, you know, work out correctly, and we use this uptrend as a support, we could pop very soon. And I mean within the first day or two, a nice bullish pop right there. I'm going to draw it out for you guys. So something along that nature, and we'll honestly probably stop somewhere, you know, along this line right there. But hopefully that helps you guys out. You're welcome, Dave C, for reviewing XRP. He's one of my buddies on the channel, been subscribed to me for quite some time now. But otherwise, I will see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Leave a nice thumbs up if you like the content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.